Looking for the perfect tool to tackle woodwork, DIY projects, or construction tasks? Circular saws are your go-to solution for fast, precise, and versatile cutting. In this guide, we'll explore the best circular saws that combine power, durability, and ease of use, helping both beginners and professionals get the job done efficiently. Starting at number 1, DEWALT 20V Max Circular Saw. The DEWALT 20V Max Circular Saw, DCS391B, is a cordless, lightweight, and powerful cutting tool designed for woodworking, construction, and general DIY tasks. Its 5,150 RPM motor delivers strong cutting performance, while the 6 to 1/2 inch carbide-tipped blade makes clean cuts through lumber and sheet goods. Built with a durable magnesium shoe and comfortable rubber grip, this saw offers excellent control and portability on the job site. With a bevel capacity up to 50 degrees and easy blade changes, it's a versatile choice for precise angled cuts. Perfect for both professionals and hobbyists. Battery and charger sold separately. Number 2, BOSCH CCS180B Circular Saw. The BOSCH CCS180 is a lightweight and versatile cordless circular saw ideal for woodworking and general cutting tasks. Featuring a 6 to 1/2 inch blade that easily cuts through tutor material and a 50-degree or bevel range for angled cuts, this saw combines performance with ergonomic design. With a blade left layout for a clear view of the cut line, an ergonomic handle, and helpful extras like a dust blower and electronic motor protection, it's engineered for precision and comfort on the job site. The saw weighs just about 6.6 ounces, tool only, and comes as a bare tool, giving you flexibility to pair it with your Bosch 18V battery system. Battery and charger sold separately. Number 3, BLACK+DECKER Circular Saw. The BLACK+DECKER BDCCS20B is a compact and lightweight cordless circular saw powered by the 20V Max Power Connect battery system. Battery sold separately. Perfect for DIY projects and general woodcutting tasks. It features a versatile 5.5 inch fast-cutting blade, tool-free depth adjustment and blade changes, and bevel detents at 45 degrees and 90 degrees for angled cuts. A pivoting shoe and variable speed trigger give more control and ease of use, making this saw a convenient choice for homeowners and casual woodworkers looking for portability and simplicity in one tool. Number 4, Makita 5007 MGA Circular Saw. The Makita 5007 MGA is a professional-grade corded circular saw built for power, precision, and job site durability. It boasts a strong 15 amp motor with 5,800 RPM for smooth cutting through tough lumber, while lightweight magnesium components keep the saw balanced and comfortable to handle. Dual LED lights and a built-in dust blower help you maintain clear visibility of your cut line, and the electric brake quickly stops the blade for increased safety and productivity. With a 2-1/2 inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees and up to 56 degrees bevel capability with positive stops, this saw is ideal for framing, ripping, bevel cutting, and a wide range of woodworking applications. Number 5, Makita XSR01Z Circular Saw. The Makita XSR01Z is a high-performance cordless circular saw that delivers corded-like power and runtime using Makita's X2LXTR technology. Powered by two 18V batteries, sold separately for a combined 36V output. It features a brushless motor that spins up to 5,100 RPM for efficient cutting and can make up to 558 crosscuts per charge in 2x4 SPF lumber with 5.0 batteries. The saw offers a large 2 to 9/16 inch cutting capacity at 90 degrees, an electric brake for productivity, and a blade left rear handle design for better line of sight. Built with durable die-cast components and ergonomic balance, this tool is ideal for framing, ripping, and other demanding woodworking jobs, all with the freedom of cordless performance.